Hey guys, it's Park here. Today I'm going to show how to make rainbow looms. Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make rainbow looms. So grab your colors and here because I need to edit it and fast forward. So I'm going to start with pink. You keep on going to the top. No wait, I'm going to do purple first. So just in case you make a mistake, you'll just redo it right here. So I'm going to do purple, blue, then I'm going to make green packet out here, and then green, yellow, orange. Now I want you guys to say, what about we don't have red? Or it's okay if you guys don't have red, you guys will just use pink because it's gonna look really nice with pink. Okay, so after doing a zigzag, you're gonna take your hook, you go flip it around. You start from the bottom, you take the thing that's under it, you grab it, and then you go over. And then you keep repeating it until you get to the next. So after you reach the tippy top, you're gonna flip it around again. Yeah, the it has to be pointing up. You grab the first one with your hook. Good. I'm trying to grab it. It does not want to be grabbed. And then you pull it up. Be really slow with it because if you don't be slow, all the thing will just fall off and you have to restart all over again. So that's what I'm worried about of you guys, like just flicking it off. So I wish if this is good to show you guys, yeah. And then I'll take it, and then you have a chain. And when you put chain, then you go grab these sequin chains. You're gonna take the hook off of it, and then you're going to put it around your thumb. Grab the sequin chain, and then just wrap it. I'm going to show you like this. It has to be inside the sequin chain, and then the same with the circle, you connect it. Yeah, and then you have a rainbow chain. Yeah, so like these, I'm gonna show you my stools. I have this, these, my box, yeah, and then here are the sequins. If you can see it, and then not yet, okay? So after you're done, you gotta clean up. So I'm gonna make that best photo of me cleaning up.